Welcome to Storytime with Sonia Panda. I will read to you many stories, so please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Let's get started. Katiewoo, Katie in the Kitchen by Fran Monuskin. Chapter 1 Helpful Katie. One day Katie's mom said, I am going next door. Mrs. West has the flu, so I am going to bring her some soup. Can I come and help? Asked Katie. That's not a good idea, said her mom. You might catch the flu too. Katie's dad was in the garage fixing his car. Can I help you? Katie asked. I love fixing things. No, said her dad. These tools are tricky. You might get hurt. Katie went back inside feeling sad. I want to help, but nobody will let me. She said to herself, I know what to do. I will make dinner. Mom and Dad will be so happy. Chapter 2 Cooking Up Trouble. Mom loves spaghetti, said Katie, and so do I. Katie filled a pot with water, 3 boxes of spaghetti, 4 cans of tomato sauce, and a jar of olives. I think that's enough, Katie said. Turning on the stove is a no, so Mom can cook this when she comes back. Now I will make cookies, decided Katie. Dad loves cookies and so do I. Katie poured a bag of flour into a bowl, added 2 bags of chocolate chips and stirred it as hard as she could. Flour flew everywhere. It's snowing, Katie shouted. She wrote her name in the flour on the floor. Then she slipped and oops, she fell down. I hurt my knees, Katie sighed. She put on a few band-aids. These new band-aids are fun, she said, so she put a few on her nose too. Mom can bake the cookies when she comes home, Katie decided. Maybe she can clean up the floor too. Katie called Pedro and bragged, Guess what? I'm making dinner tonight. Cool, Pedro shouted. I'm reading a great ghost story. I hope there are not any ghosts in your house. No way, Katie said. Goodbye. Chapter 3 The Ghost. I'm not scared of ghosts, Katie told herself. Just then she heard a weird noise. That's not a ghost, she decided. But just in case, she turned on all the lights. She also put on her mom's robe to make herself feel bigger. Suddenly a storm began. Lightning flashed. Thunder boomed. Storms don't scare me, Katie said. She put on her dad's hat to make herself feel braver. The thunder grew louder and closer. Wow, Katie yelled, and she hid in the closet. Soon she heard a loud noise. Thump, thump, thump. It's the ghost, Katie moaned. Slowly the closet door began opening. Eek! Screamed Katie. Eek! Yelled the ghost. Mom yelled, Katie! Katie shouted her mom. You scared me to death. And this house, said Katie's mom. It looks like an earthquake hit it. It was a ghost, said Katie quickly. Really? Said Katie's mother. Are you sure it was not Hurricane Katie? Maybe Katie confessed. But supper is almost ready, Katie bragged. I have done most of the work. Someone's making cookies, said Katie's dad. My favorite. I'm so glad I could help, said Katie. Just ask me any time. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the story. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to Storytime with Sonia Panda to listen to more stories with me. Take care, friends.